Welcome! In this video, we're gonna explain to you how to submit your story to a writing competition, Our Future, Our Water, Our Stories. If you followed our advertisement materials or the link in the video description down below, you'll end up at this page. We need you to scroll down to the section How to Enter and click the link to LimeSurvey. On LimeSurvey, you're at first presented with general information about the writing competition. Hit the Next button. Once you've arrived at the children's consent form, please read it through carefully. And if you agree to the terms and conditions, click Yes. Hit the Next button and hand the device over to your parents. Please as well, read the terms and conditions carefully, and if you agree to them, hit Yes. Click the Next button and you can now upload your story. Simply click Upload File, select a file from your device and enter a title. Title could be the same as the document's name or the title of the story. Leave the comment section empty. Hit Save Changes. To submit your story to the competition, we need further information. At first, the language your story is written in. English and German are both valid options. In my case, it's written in English. Hit the Next button and please fill out the personal details, starting with your parents' or guardian's name and their email address. Then we want your parents to enter your name and provide your age. Optionally, you can provide the gender identity which best represents your child. You can choose from woman, man, non-binary, or prefer not to say. You can either leave a comment here. As a last information, we ask you to provide your child's first language. If it's English, select the first option. If it's not English, select the second option and please provide your child's first language. Hit Submit and you've now entered the writing competition.